AI is writing more code than ever. But here's the scary part. A recent award winning study from NYU found that AI generated code is often outdated, contains serious memory errors, and even connects to databases that don't exist anymore. And if you are a developer, freelancer, consultant, or engineering manager, that could mean bugs, delays, bad reviews, or lost claims. But what if you could instantly detect which exact part of the code were written by AI? Today, I'm going to show you a new game-changing tool called CodeSpy.ai, built to protect developers and businesses in the. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sumit, cybersecurity trainer and penetration tester, and today we are exploring something extremely relevant for 2025: AI detection for code. This tool does not rewrite your code, does not fix issues, it simply tells you which part generated by AI. So you, the human developer, can review them and prevent hidden bugs. Here is the truth. Developers today rely heavily on the AI coding assistants. And that's not a bad thing, but many don't realize that AI models often generate outdated codes, introduce memory related bugs, references deprecated APIs, and sometimes hallucinate uh, database calls. A research team at the Tandon School of Engineering at NYU proved this. This paper is already being recognized nationwide. So, if you are a solo developer, consultant, agency owner, educator, or engineering manager, identifying the AI written parts of your code can literally save hours of debugging and protect your reputation. So, what is basically CodeSpy? So, CodeSpy is used for detecting the AI codes in the code. So, it will basically generate, it will detect the AI generated code. You can try it out, like it can basically pinpoint the AI in your code base. All right, let me show you how CodeSpy works. So this is the dashboard, clean, simple, no distraction. You can register here, or if you already have an account, you can log in your account. Currently, the CodeSpy basically supports Python, JavaScript, Java, C Objective, PHP. So it does not doing just one job, but it does it extremely well. So it will detect basically AI generated code with high accuracy. And it also doesn't rewrite your code or produce alternative suggestions, because fixing bugs is still best done by the human developers. So let me log into my account. So you can see it here, like you can check out your dashboard, the overview, like the AI generated code or human generated code, and then the reports, the project. So the UI is very simple. And now how to particularly run a AI scan, you can just upload and paste your code. So click on new AI scan, and now you can paste your code here. And before that, you need to select the language like Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, and C++. So right now I'm pasting a AI generated code for Java, and let's check that out if it is detecting the code or not. So that's the code. I pasted it. You can check this out. Check this out. And now we can click on analyze. So when you click on analyze, it will detect like the possibility, the probability of AI is the scoring is 96 out of 100. So it is the mostly AI. Now you can check out the reports. It will comes under the reports section. You can check this out. Now this is the overview. This code is generated. This code appears to contain AI. So the code spy is saying that their analysis suggests that there is a 96% chance that the content you entered was written by an AI algorithm. And it is showing some sections like the detections by sections, and which is highlighted. So this is the predicted competitions. So the red one is completely generated or written with the AI. Okay, now what if we provide a human written code? Okay, so if it is will be detecting is AI or how this works. So we can go to the scan again, and now I'm pasting a human code. So let me copy it, and when I paste it, so it will recognize as an human code or give the accuracy. So let's check that out as well. So I copied the code, and now let's paste it and analyze it. So it is analyzing. Let's wait for few moments. Now see, the probability of AI is 4 out of 100. So you can clearly see the difference between human generated code or between a human generated or AI generated code. When we put the AI generated code, it gives the score of 96, but we put a human generated code, then the score we receive is 4 out of 100. You can check out the report also, like this code doesn't appear to contain AI. So the code spy analysis suggests that there is a 4% chance that the content you enter was written by an AI algorithm. Okay, so only 4% chance, and you can check that out the other sections also. There is no red marking. Who is CodeSpy.ai for? So if you're having a small software consulting teams, so if you are a small team like building project for clients, you probably use AI to speed up development. So CodeSpy basically have three types of plan, not three types, one including free. There are four types of plan. So in free plans, you can scan three AI within a month, and it is basically detect the code in Java, Python, PHP, and JavaScript. And all the other perks are not available in free plan. So in consultant plan, the price is this for per month for individuals and the small businesses. So it will basically unlimited AI scan, then the detection in all languages, and you can export your data to. All other perks are not available. If you have small businesses, then the price, and it will basically works up to 50 people, including up to 3 seats. So you can use data export API is also available, then unlimited scan. And then if you want to use for enterprise purpose, then you can directly contact with the CodeSpy team. CodeSpy.ai is quite helpful for programmers. So basically, how and why this matters? Because AI assistants are powerful, we know that, but they aren't perfect. As AI generated code increases, the risk of silent bugs also increases. CodeSpy.ai gives you visibility. It basically helps you catch issues early. So, and it keeps your code base maintainable, traceable, or future. Today, tools like CodeSpy will soon become essential for subcontractors to verify compliances before submitting their applicants. Okay, so basically it is very helpful tool. So if you are a developer, team leader, educator, or running software company, I highly recommend trying CodeSpy.ai. The link is in the description. Go try it, upload your code, and see how much AI is actually inside your project. You will be surprised. If you want more videos on AI, cybersecurity, DevSecOps tools, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching.